Namaste, my friends, and welcome back to Atmaflow. Meditation. Nowadays, we know all the various benefits of meditation. It decreases the stress level, helps you with anxiety, lowers the blood pressure, helps with chronic pain, helps with depression, with fear, with attachments, heart disease. It energizes you, gives you more focus, more clarity, more willpower, self-esteem, makes you more patient, tolerant, humble, gives you a sense of purpose, connectedness, it calms the nervous system and the endocrine system, makes you more happy, increases the memory and the overall performance. And there are so many more benefits to it. Meditation will become your best friend. It will give you a sense of purpose. It will transform all the unnecessary thoughts in something positive. And it will help you to detach yourself from this material world, even though you're in the middle of it, being untouched from all the material miseries. Like a fisherman is fishing next to the water, but without getting wet himself. So meditation will teach you engaging with the material world, but in the same time being detached, not getting touched by any impurities. The body is here. The mind is there. But where are you? A spiritual being, a spiritual consciousness. Meditation, first of all, will teach you that you're not this body, you're not the mind, that you're a spiritual being inside this body, eternal, full of knowledge and full of bliss. And there's so many different ways to meditate. Yoga, breathwork meditation, qigong, going for a run, going for a hike, cooking, going into nature, watching the sunset, the sunrise, listening to the ocean, smelling some nice flowers. Introspect, reflect. According to Ashtanga Yoga, we have the yamas and the niyamas, the do's and the don'ts in spiritual life. Then we have the asanas, the sitting postures, pranayama, breathwork, pratyahara, to withdraw the senses of the objects of the senses, dharana, concentration, dhyana, what means meditation itself, and then samadhi, complete transcendence. Mantra meditation like Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And the purpose of all this meditation is that you get self-realized and then to understand your relationship with the divine, the supreme living entity. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, the mind can be your best friend or the mind can be your worst enemy. I compare our minds with monkeys, jumping from one tree to the next, from one blog to the next, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So we have to engage and train this monkey mind and make it to our friend instead of our worst enemy. So the first step, how to control the mind, is by controlling the breath. The breath and the mind, they are connected. So by controlling the breath, you can learn to control the mind. Sometimes we have this fear of meditation, it will take so much time away from us. No, don't get me wrong. You don't have to meditate for 1 or 2 hours. With small steps, we're creating bigger steps. So we start with 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever is suitable, whatever is possible in your situation. So I will guide you now through a short meditation practice, and I challenge you for just a week to practice every day this meditation and see how your physical, mental and spiritual health will change and how your whole life will transform like a beautiful lotus flower opening up. It's about to calm down the mind, to withdraw yourself from all external engagements and to connect deep in your heart, to open up the energy systems and to focus your whole being within. And from there something wonderful will manifest in your life. Find yourself in a comfortable sitting position. Sit up straight on the floor, on a cushion or in a chair. It doesn't matter where, but a straight spine will help you to stay alert for your meditation. You want to feel alive and energetic while you meditate. physically and mentally, and sitting in a physical position that is upright encourages that alert state of being. A simple way to adjust your body into a better posture is to imagine a string attached to the top of your head. That string is being pulled gently up towards the sky. The pull of the string lifts your chest, which will align your lower back, shoulders, head and neck, and then bring the awareness and the attention to the inhalation and the exhalation. Don't try to calm your mind. If your mind starts wandering, recognize it and return to appreciating the sensations of your breath. How does your breath feel like? Is it warm? Is it cold? Is it energizing or calming? Are you peaceful and relaxed? Or getting disturbed by the breath itself? Create some new experience for your mind by focusing on your own breathing. And if the mind starts to wander again, just simply bring it back to the breathing, letting go of the past and letting go of the future. Just be at the present moment. Inhale and exhale. Now place your hands on your chest, on your heart chakra, and create a sense of connectedness. As you inhale, feel new life energy entering your whole system, opening up your heart, your chest, and with the exhalation, you feel how this energy is expanding all over your system, all over your body and mind. Nothing else matters anymore. Outside temporary illusion, but the real reality lies within yourself. Breathe into your heart and expand with the exhalation. Wonderful. You are Sat Chit Ananda. That means you are eternal. The soul is never born and the soul never dies. You will be always here in the present moment. Chit, full of knowledge, wisdom, consciousness, awareness. And Ananda, bliss, happiness, spiritual ecstasy. This is the true nature of your being, and through this simple meditation you can always access these higher states of reality, full of happiness, peace and wisdom. You can stay here for a while, or whenever you feel ready, you bring your hands back to your knees and slowly open your eyes. Meditation is such a wonderful way to experience all the magic happening in life. Please check out my videos about pranayama and breathwork so that you will deepen your meditation practice and make your life happy, healthy and successful. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.